and inside the aroma of beer, honey, and lemon. This recipe will impress you and everyone you serve it to. Start by taking a whole chicken. Cut out the backbone, ideally using kitchen shears designed for this purpose. Flip the chicken over and press it down to flatten it slightly. Now let's move on to the beer honey marinade. Into a bowl, pour light beer, melted butter, mustard, the juice of half a lemon, a few drops of Tabasco, and honey. Add half of the spice mix listed in the video description. You'll find all proportions and ingredients there. Mix everything thoroughly until the honey is fully dissolved. Using a blender works best. Inject the marinade into the thickest parts of the chicken, the breasts, thighs, and around the wings. This guarantees juiciness and an even flavor inside the meat. Pour the remaining marinade over the chicken. Massage it in thoroughly and sprinkle the second half of the spices on top. Pour the rest of the beer onto the oven tray. Place the chicken on a rack. Roast at 190 degrees Celsius. The result is incredible. A juicy interior with a lemon beer aroma, a light Tabasco heat, and crispy, smoky skin. If our recipes inspire you, tap that like button. It keeps us cooking, creating, and bringing you even more delicious ideas.